Interested in a 2008 Holden Commodore?
You can be accelerating down the highway in this excellent vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, power mirrors.
Ride in style with the included premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a concern, know you are covered with this vehicle's features.
Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.